All right, before we get started with our workbook page, today I did want to review the different types of sentences, And by the different types of sentences, I mean look at their end marks to tell you what kind of sentences they are. Now remember that a sentence that ends with a period is a declarative sentence. It's telling you something. The pig is in the yard. It's telling you where the pig is. So you end it with a period. This sentence ends with a question mark. It's asking you something. It's an interrogative sentence. What is that pig doing? So it's asking you a question. It has to have a question mark. And then the last type is an exclamatory sentence and ends with an exclamation point because there's a lot of strong feeling or emotion or excitement that goes with it. Get out of the flower bed. Oh yeah, yelling at the pig. Get out of the flower bed. So that one would end with an exclamation point. It's an exclamatory sentence. All right. You will be looking at page, let me see here, page 87 in your reading workbook, page 87. Now, when you look at page 87, what it's asking you to do is to decide yes or no if the sentence is written correctly, if it has the right end mark, and if it starts with a capital letter, right? We're really focusing on sentences starting with capital letters and having the correct end mark. So let's take a look at example number 1. It says, the person is painting. Now, do you think that sentence is written correctly? I know I hear some of you already saying, no, because there's no capital letter at the beginning. There has to be a capital letter at the beginning of every sentence. The rest of the letters are going to be lowercase. We reserve those capital letters for special occasions like names and the beginning of sentences. So no, this sentence is not written correctly. All right, let's go down to example number 2. We like to fish. We like to fish. It has a capital letter. It has a period as an end mark. We like to fish. It's telling you what they like to do. So I think this is written correctly. I think we need to circle yes. This one is written correctly. It has the right end mark and it starts with a capital. All right, let's go ahead. Take a look at example number 3. Are you going to school? Are you going to school? Well, does it start with a capital? Yes, it does. There's a capital A and R. Does it have an end mark? Yes, it does. Is it the correct end mark? Are you going to school? It's asking a question. It's an interrogative. So yes, it has a question mark. I think this sentence looks just fine. I'm going to circle yes. Are you going to school is written correctly. All right, let's take a look at number 5. I almost went too far. The butterfly is on the flower. The butterfly is on the flower. Now, it does have a capital letter, but it has no end mark at all. What end mark do you think you would put there? The butterfly is on the flower. Probably a period, right? Probably you'd put a period there because it's telling you where the butterfly is. So it's a telling sentence, a declarative. So it would take a period, but it doesn't have one. So we have to circle no. That one is not written correctly. All right, let's take a look at the very last one, example number 5. It says, hurry or we will be late. Hurry or we will be late. Now, it has a capital letter at the beginning, definitely, capital H there, and it has an end mark. Do you think it's the correct end mark? It has an exclamation point. It's filled with strong emotion or excitement. Hurry or we will be late. Probably that's something that you might say with a lot of excitement because you're wanting someone to hurry, right? So I think that I will circle yes, that's written correctly with a capital letter and an exclamation point as an end mark. All right, so you will need to upload page 87 to show that you did the work today. So when you're finished with this, go ahead and submit page 87 on Schoology.